The MMI navigation with e-tron Route Planner can automatically suggest convenient charge station options along the way if additional charging is needed to get where you're going. First, open the navigation app. You can pinch to zoom out and see the entire radius of available range in any direction on the current charge level. From the map, you can tap Search and then tap the icons for nearby points of interest, including charge stations, restaurants, grocery stores, and more. For a specific route, tap the search icon and input your destination. There are multiple ways to search for a destination. You can type using the on-screen keyboard, or tap the hand icon for natural handwriting recognition. You can also use voice search with commands like "Hey Audi, take me home," and many other points of interest using natural language. If the destination is beyond the current range, the e-tron Route Planner will include high-speed charging stations along the route. By tapping the battery icon, you can see a list of the high-speed charging stations suggested for the route. You can tap to find out more info about the station, as well as points of interest near the station, such as dining, shopping, and more. You can also pick a different charging station by scrolling the route and tapping another high-speed charging station icon. Once selected, the route will be recalculated to include that station instead. The e-tron Route Planner is also available in the myAudi app, allowing you to plan a route from anywhere and then send that to your Audi for future use. The Audi e-tron Route Planner provides peace of mind, knowing there are sufficient charging stops along the way.